Hey, we're getting ready to smoke some hamburgers. I'm using 80/20 hamburger meat, and I'll be adding seasonings. One is Slap Your Mama, Lawry's seasoned salt. Now we'll give it a little mix, and then we're going to add a little bit more. A little bit more of Slap Your Mama, and some SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. Now this is about 2 pounds of hamburger meat, and the measurements of these seasonings I did not measure out. But for the most part, probably no more than a half a teaspoon of seasoning each, maybe a little more SPG. I got my hamburger press out. Gonna make them about a 1/4 pound each. That's what I'm weighing them out at. And then we'll place them on a smoker rack and place them in the smoker. This is a handy little press. You can press them out, place them in a vacuum sealed bag, freeze them, whatever you want to do. I've had this for about 2 years, and I use it off and on, so I thought I would use it to press out the patties for smoked burgers. Well, we found the last patty, and it's going to be a little shy on the weight, but no problem there. And now it's time to place them on the smoker rack. Well, I think we'll speed it up through this process here. And I'm using my Pit Boss Vertical Pellet Smoker, using pecan and apple, and we'll be smoking them at 225. We're going to add these to the very top of the smoker. Oh, look at that smoke. Those are looking good. About an hour in. And now I believe they're ready. At 167. Yeah, that's great. Probably a little more than most people like, but these smoked hamburger patties were fantastic. They were delicious. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.